Compatible Android devices can share content with and be controlled through the MMI display using Android Auto. The phone should be running the most current Android operating system and be Bluetooth compatible. Ensure the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store is installed on the device. Begin with the ignition on and the vehicle in park. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must both be enabled on the Android device. Also, ensure that the wireless function is enabled in the Android Auto app settings. In the MMI, select Phone Apps. A note will appear ensuring you have enabled Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the mobile device. Next, the identifier for the Audi MMI will appear. You will find this identifier in the phone's available device list. On the next screen, select New Connection. On the mobile device, select Pair New Device, or select the Audi ID from the list of available devices, depending on the operating system. Accept any prompts on the mobile device. The vehicle's system will search for the device. When it appears in the display, select it. The mobile device will receive a request to pair with the MMI. If the MMI ID matches the one in the MMI, select Pair. An acceptance message will appear in the mobile device. Select Allow. The MMI will ask to enable Android Auto, as well as permission to transfer data. If canceled, these can be enabled manually later. An Android Auto connection icon will appear, then automatically activate Android Auto. Touch the Home button in the lower left to go to the home screen, which will display icons of compatible apps. Touching an icon will launch that app. Controls will vary based on the application. While in any application or the home screen, the Play Music button will be visible in the lower left, allowing control of music streaming services. If the use of Android Auto was declined the first time a phone was connected, it can be enabled manually. From the home screen, select Phone Apps, then To Connected Devices, then the desired Android Auto device. Ensure the device is unlocked and follow any system prompts to continue.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech Stay Ahead.